Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely and very easy skirt. It's a maxi skirt, it's 85 centimeters long and it has a big opening. If you want, you can make it from here. Maybe I'm gonna show you in the video. It's very easy to adjust. And I made this shell edge, simple but beautiful, and I'm gonna make a top for the skirt. That's the first part. Just make this and wait for the top part. And I could give you the measurements of here to it's 43 centimeters. That's a small medium size. If you want to make it bigger, you can simply change your hook size. I use 4.5 millimeter hook with this yarn. It's a perfect decay ombre from Utopia Crafts. Recommends 2.5 millimeter hook, but I use 4.5, and that's an acrylic yarn. I used 366 70, we can call it 70, 370 grams of yarn. 4 balls of 100 grams of yarn will be fairly enough for this size, and hope you like this one. I really like this ombre look, and I recommend you to this yarn for the same look. And that's all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. I'm gonna make 140 chains for a medium size around the belly. Just measure yourself, okay? And if you're same with me, I just made a sample. It's 20 stitches, okay? And find the measurements with this way. For me, 20 stitches is 10 centimeters. Maybe you can try this too if you want to make it fit you perfectly, or you can make your chains not too loose, okay, and wrap it around your belly and start like this. Now I'm gonna make chains. Once you complete the chains, try not to twist them. And join from this first chain with a slip stitch. Hi! Do not count these 2 chains as anything, okay? Now we are gonna make double crochets. Yarn over, insert same place. Just sit, baby. Insert same place, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's my first double crochet. And I'm gonna make 140 more. put 1 double crochet into each stitch till the end. I'll meet you there. Now I'm making the last one. Join from this first stitch, chain 2. Around this first double crochet we are gonna make a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook from front to the back and to the front again around the post. Okay, just a second. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now we are gonna make a back post double crochet. Insert your hook from back to the front and around the post, give it to the back. Pull through 2, pull through 2. A front post, a back post, a front post, a back post. Now we're gonna repeat this till the end. I'm at the end. Now I'm making my last front post double crochet. Since we have an odd number, we are gonna start with a front post and complete with a front post. If you have an even number, you are gonna complete with a back post double crochet. I don't mind this because these 2 chains looks like a back post anyway. Insert from this first stitch, join with a slip stitch, chain 2. Start with the front post again, make a back post, a front post, a back post, front post, and we will repeat this for how many rows? I think I'm gonna make totally 6 rows. I'm at the 3rd row. I'm gonna make 3 more when I complete this. Then we will meet again. I complete 6 rows. Now chain 3 as your first double crochet, and into this same stitch here we are going to make 2 more double crochets. Skip 2 into the 3rd, make 2 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches into the 3rd, make 3 double crochets, sorry. It's a regular granny stitch. Skip 2 into the 3rd, put 3 double crochets, and you're gonna repeat this till you reach here. I'm making the last one. Skip 2, insert from this 3rd chain, join with a slip stitch. Chain 3, turn your work. For each row we will turn our work, starting from here. Into this space we are gonna make 2 double crochets. With this it will be 3. Into this next space make 3 double crochets. Into the next make 3 double crochets. Repeat this till the end. I made the last one. Join from this 3rd chain, chain 3, turn. And now I'm gonna change the hook. Starting from here, I will use 4.5 into this first space, make 2 double crochets, into the next make 3, next 3, and we will repeat this for each row. You are gonna join and turn. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. I'm gonna turn back in a second. Okay, don't complete all of it. We are gonna make an opening from the side. I made 24 rows. I'm gonna give you the measurements. It's 30 centimeters. By the way, here is 42 centimeters. It will loosen up, of course, a little bit. Now we are gonna make an opening here, a slit. Okay, that's the 24th row. When you reach here, you are not gonna join. Just chain 3, turn. Into this first space, you're gonna make 3 double crochets. Into the next, make 3 double crochets. Keep repeating this. I'll meet you at the end. I reached to the end. If you remember, we started with 3 chains and make a set into this first space. Now if you want to keep your numbers, you need to make 3 double crochets into this last chain for this row, for just this row. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 3, turn, and that's our repeat row. Starting from here, into this first space, make 3 double crochet, next space 3 double crochets. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end again, and into this next space I'm gonna put 3 double crochets. Chain 3, turn, and starting from this first space, make your double crochet sets. And we're gonna repeat this for how long? Not sure, it depends to your height. I'm gonna turn back in a second and give you the measurements, show you the results. See you. I made this 84 centimeters long. Now we will complete it. I made the right side, but both sides are same. It's not important. Just make it as you like, as long as you want. Then, just a second. Chain 1, insert into this first stitch and put a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. Into this next space, I'm gonna make 6 double crochets. Into the next space, I'm gonna put a single crochet. Into the next, I'm gonna put 6 double crochets. We are making shells. Five, 6. Into this next space, put a single crochet and keep making this. Meet you at the end. I'm at the end. I have one more spaces than I need, so I made 5 double crochets here instead of 6. I'm gonna insert into this middle stitch, put a single crochet into this next space. I'm gonna make 5 double crochets and insert into this space, make a single crochet, make one more chain and cut the yarn. And it looks beautiful with this edge. That's it. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Rebelity, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.